How to get fast delivery on Shein. So if you want to get fast delivery on Shein, then first you need to open up your Shein website. Go with Shein.com, and here make sure to log in or sign into your account. And once you've logged into your account, now you just need to simply go with the categories, and then you can choose something that you would like to order. So for example, I'll be choosing this one, and you need to simply go with your size, your options, and then you can go with add to cart. So simply click on it. Now go for view cart option. And once you're here, now here on the upper right, you will have your checkout options, right? So check for fast delivery options during your checkout. After that, choose express or fast delivery, enter your shipping details and payment information, and confirm your order. Track your shipment using the provided information. Receive your order sooner with fast delivery. That's how you can get a fast delivery on Shein. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.